China on Tuesday launched the ژو-16 manned spaceship, sending 3 astronauts to a space station combination for a 5-month mission. According to the China Manned Space Agency, about 10 minutes after the launch, the ژو-16 separated from the rocket and entered its designated orbit. The crew members are in good shape, and the launch is a complete success. The crew consists of Jing Haipeng, Zhu Yangzhu, and Gui Haichao. They will witness the dockings of the Tianzhou-5 cargo craft and the ژو-17 manned spaceship, as well as the departures of the ژu-15 manned spaceship and Tianzhou-5.
我宣布，神舟16号发射任务取得圆满成功。
那首先呢，我想这个祝贺啊，这个我们这次这个神16的这个发射取得圆满成功，而且呢，从刚才整个的数据上看啊，发射的入轨的精度应该也是很高。再有从航天员的整个表现上来讲，这个也还是这个表现得很好。按照咱们的惯例呢，每一次呢都是这个以老带新，这是我们整个的飞行任务的一个基本原则。那么这一次也是这样，他们的训练成绩，他们的表现，应该说是能够很好的去胜任这个任务。那在这里呢，我也祝愿他们能够圆满的完成任务。